Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi! Last week I gave you some tips about how to come up with ideas, and I hope it helped. And sometimes you want to play and have some fun in your sketchbook, or just need a fun challenge. You can be your own idea generator and give yourself some challenging drawing prompts, even if you think you have no ideas. I'll show you how to create an art prompt generation sheet. Grab a piece of paper and make 3 columns, one for adjectives, then verbs and nouns. Fill these columns with as many words as you can come up with. Once you've done that, combine them randomly. You can make it as silly as possible and then need to figure out how to actually illustrate those combinations. It'll be a challenge how to draw certain things, and it'll make you think about what does a Yeti look like and how do I want it to look. If it's a sweaty Yeti, how do I make it sweat? Just drawing a few drops of sweat might be sufficient, or does it need a hairband, a sweatband? It is rocking, after all, and my association with that is rock band. So the guitar and the sweatband makes sense to me, to this combination that initially didn't make sense at all. Try as many combinations as you like. Some will work out better than others. You will also see that the more of these drawings you make, the smarter you will get at it. And the freer you will become in making connections and associations and using your imagination. It's fun to do, it's funny, and you will definitely tap into a very imagining part of your brain. Don't worry about the outcome. This is really about playing and about having fun, combining random words and making some kind of sense of them on paper. This art prompt generating idea is not mine. I learned it from Sketchbook School faculty member Brian Butler, who makes amazing things using randomized prompts. If you want to learn more from him, go to sketchbookschool.com. I cannot wait to see what kind of silly things you will come up with. So please share what you make using the hashtag DTTinaction on social media. Have fun, and I'll see you next week.